He's still holding the stone.
He didn't want to let it go. Look at these carvings.
They're very old.
I keep thinking about it.
Me too. It doesn't feel like a normal rock.
It feels important. The sunlight shows every line.
Someone made this carefully.
Good morning.
Good morning, sleepy explorer.
Is the stone still here?
Yes, right with us.
Let's look at it together.
Okay.
No rush today.
We can think slowly. Eat a little first.
I'm too excited. The stone is calling us.
It does feel that way.
Touch it gently.
It feels smooth.
Should we go back?
I think we should.
I want to see more.
Then let's prepare.
Water is important.
Got it.
We wrap it carefully.
Like a treasure.
Adventure again.
Yes, but carefully.
Stay close today.
I promise.
The jungle is waiting.
Let's go.
The mist looks magical.
It feels mysterious.
The trees block the sun.
It's darker.
Hold my hand.
I won't let go. I'm looking everywhere.
Good eyes. This tree looks familiar.
Yes, from yesterday. Let's go this way.
I agree.
The path is narrow.
Step slowly.
Hear that sound.
Leaves!
Birds are watching us.
We are guests here.
It's very quiet now.
Almost too quiet.
Wait!
What did you see?
Another stone.
Like the first one.
Same symbol.
Exactly the same. I'll kneel here.
Can I help?
They match perfectly.
This is not random.
It means something.
Yes, it does.
My heart is fast.
Mine too.
Even the wind is quiet.
Like it's listening.
There's a path.
Good catch.
Only piano.
Let's follow it.
Together. Gentle humming returns.
It's darker here.
Stay alert.
Roots everywhere.
Watch your feet.
I'm okay.
Take your time. Step here.
Piano slowly fades
Thanks,
out.
Dad.
Look at this.
Broken pottery.
It has patterns.
Very old ones. I'll clean it slowly.
It's beautiful.
People lived here.
Long ago.
I feel something.
Me too.
Let's continue.
Yes.
A clearing.
Hidden well.
A big stone.
Like a table.
Symbols in a circle.
Like a puzzle.
The light is perfect.
On purpose. I'll place the stone.
Carefully.
It fits.
Exactly.
Did you see that glow?
Yes.
Should we step back?
Slowly.
The wind stopped.
Everything stopped.
No sound at all.
Complete silence.
Something is opening.
Be careful.
A box.
Small but special.
Oh, wow.
Easy.
I'll open it.
Slowly.
A necklace.
From stone.
It's shining.
Soft light.
Hold it with respect.
Always.
Do we take it?
No.
This moment is enough.
I understand.
We close it.
Yes. Put it back.
Gently.
Back where it belongs.
Exactly.
We cover it.
Like before.
The forest feels calm.
It's happy.
Birds are back.
That's a good sign.
Time to go.
Okay.
Melody slightly to
No talking now.
I'll be quiet.
vocal humming.
The light is changing.
Late afternoon.
Fireflies again.
They're saying goodbye.
The jungle is glowing.
I'll remember this.
Sunset is here.
Develops.
Beautiful.
Vocal.
Hold my hand.
Remain soft. and
Always.
We walk together.
Like a team.
We're leaving.
But not forgetting.
Goodbye, jungle.
Thank you.